Hello everyone, I'm Astute and again back with a new video on Hack This Site series. So I will be showing you some of the platform to learn hack the site ethically, and I will also hack the site to show you how it's done. So the site name is Hack This Site. So you can visit hackthisSite.org, and just it's a free. Just sign up with your account and get started. So here is the challenges. You can see like basic realistic application missions, programming missions, forensics. So there are a bunch of challenges you can try. So since this is a series, so I will go with the first one, basic missions. So let's see what it's asking. Basic text for skills to see if you can do any of these missions. Requirement HTML. So there is nothing requirement, just have a simple knowledge of HTML. So let's enroll this. Level 1, the idiot test. Idiot test completed having, but it's begging to someone let else for the answer. So get phone into the password. So since we only need to learn HTML, so just read the source code. Like source code is done by right clicking, and in the second last option you can see which is the source code. So let's scroll down. Let's see what we can find, or you can type Control F, then password to see what is the password things. Password 15 13 passwords. Here I can see now the first few labels are extremely easy. The password is this, so I copy this and let's enter the password, submit. The password is incorrect, so I guess this is not the right password. The password is incorrect. Or I'm copying the wrong thing. Just copy again and paste this page, continue. Enter the password, paste, submit. Okay, now it's done. I guess that was a bug or something. Now it's done. So let's go to the challenge 2. So in challenge 2 the security is same. Okay, here is a scenario. Set up password protection script. He made it load in a real password from the unencrypted text file and compared it to the password the user entered. Okay, so let's see the source code. Can we find something out of it? I guess nothing is here. Let's try searching for the password. Small letter. Password load from the real unencrypted text compared to the user, and however password is password. Let's see, read the scenario again. However, he neglected to upload the password file. Okay, so it's foolish thing. Like he just made a program to password, but he didn't enter the value or the password. So the password must be like submit because there is no password. Let's say yes, it's done. Let's go to the challenge 3. This time the same security, network security same remember to upload the password file. Okay, this time he remembered to upload, but there was a deeper problem than that. So what's the deeper problem? Let's go with inspect, and inspect section, can we find something? Let's go down because it's only totally depends on your like how you are sharp to find what's going on. So I'm just figuring out like how can I get the password for this site. This time the same remember to upload password, but there were deeper problem than that. So let's submit. error. And what could be the password? Okay, so it is redirecting to the value password.php. So I guess I find the answer. So once if the password was right, it will redirect to this duty. So let me go there, enter. Here is the password. Nice. Copy that, go back and paste, submit. Congratulations. Next level. This time same hard-coded the password into script, however it is complex. Okay, script to automatically. So what it's saying is that there is he made a system to forget the password. We send the password to his email. So let's type the wrong password. Error. Nothing we can do from here. So let's send a password to the same. Password is reminded. Okay, password is in. So what we can do is inspect, and like the password is sent to the email, right? So there is a system for every email there must be @. So if I type @search, here is the value. So it will send the password to sam@hackthesite.org. So if I change this value to my site, it will send @gmail.com. Okay, so it will now send the password to this my mail. Okay, let's try it will work or not. Okay, the password is reminded successfully sent to the s2@gmail.com. So let's open my mail. So I've just created the account. So okay, nice. The password is reminded, but the password, okay, I got the password. Copy and go back, paste the password. Let me remove that braces that I copied. So submit. Congratulations, that was easy. So rather than actually learn the password, he decided to make his own email program. Okay, so what we can do is, let's see what's happening. Okay, it's the same thing, right? Let's do the same thing. It's also sending the password. So let me go to the inspect and find where is that mail he's sending, and changing the mail, sorry, so that I can get the mail, and close this and submit. Oh sorry, send password. Password is successfully sent to s2@gmail.com. So let's open it, let's refresh. Did I get something? Okay, it's the updated one. I get the mail again and go back and enter the password. Let me remove that braces. Okay, submit. Here we go. So the third challenge is level 6. Network SAM has encrypted its password. The encryption system is publicly available and can be accessed via this format. Okay, there is a form. So it's a little bit of cryptography, I guess. I need to find the password. It's the encrypted one. We have to decrypt it. So let's see the algorithm, what's happening. So if I type 1 2 3 A B C D E F G H I and encrypt, saying ACEGIK. So ACEGIK. What's happening? ACEGIK ABCD. Okay, I guess it's incrementing like +1. every time it's incrementing by +1. So I can use a code. I can run a for loop, but let's not do that because it's not, I guess no one like everyone doesn't familiar with the programming language here. So I'm just using customly. So if I type for 9, so I need to type 9 encrypt. Let's see. Okay, 9 is 9. Now it will 8 plus 1. So plus 1 for C. I need to type B, I guess. B encrypt. Okay, it's print C. And plus 2 for 4. I need to type 2. So it will print, I guess, 9C4. Okay, let's find the answer now for minus sign. Okay, so let me open a Google and type ASCII chart. Okay, ASCII table. And images. So let me open any of these. So ASCII table, what we have is less than sign, right? So for less than sign we need to 1 2 3. We need to subtract less than sign by -3. So find the less than sign. Where is the less than sign? This is the greater than or less than? It's the less than sign, right? 1 2 3. So 9 will print a less than sign. So let's try 9. Encrypt. Okay, it's working. So semicolon. Let's see for the semicolon. So how many times we have to subtract? 1 2 3 4. Now we have to subtract by 4. Semicolon minus 4. 1 2 3 4 7. So let's type 7. Okay, perfect. Now 5 minus 5, it's 0, I guess. Let's see. Yes. Now 6. Now greater than sign. So we have to minus greater than sign by 6. So it is the greater than sign. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. Let's type 8 and semicolon wait. Okay. Now subtract by 7. Semicolon minus 7. So semicolon is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's 4. So 4. Encrypt. Here is the password. So the password is this one. Let me copy this and paste it over here. Submit. Congratulations. So I guess I should stop here. So if you want to make me another part of this, so please let me in a comment section and make sure to like and subscribe the video.